What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to split images like a pro using Canva, all into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, let's apply the image into our design. First thing, enter the image, align the image in the size that you need, okay, for example, just like this. Now apply some extra element to the image in order to be capable of downloading it. I think this control icon looks nice for me. Let me just apply it right here. Well, now you must download the image, so hit the upper right corner of your screen share button, click on download and download your picture, okay? Download made. It's important to have the image in the exact size that you have on your page, okay? So you can use the smart crop, or you can simply delete it all, go to uploads and upload your image, okay? Just like this. Now adjust the image into your page size, just like this. Now let's crop the image. Review the left sidebar of menus on our Canva, go to apps, and right here we're gonna click and type image splitter, just like this. Click into this first result, select your image, and here you can choose the amount of columns and the amount of rows, okay? Then you can split the image and change before we can change the border options. For example, the border size. In the case that we want, we can edit the border size. I think 25. We can choose the solid option. We can choose the border color. I prefer a dark color. You can choose the border radius in the case that you wish. Then we can split the image. Here is the result we got. Don't like? Reorganize, 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 reorganize. You can keep playing with the image into a list or into a grid. Nice, right? Let's reorder once again. I don't like the result I got, so let me go back. Let me remove the border, change the color back to white, and let's split once again. And here is the grid result I got. You can simply add the image to the design. Now let's review the result we got. Nice, right? Every piece right here, it's a single piece that can be designed or moved individually in the case that you wish. Simple, right? And of course you can apply your content into the middle of this page and, for example, give more attention to the details. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!